Hello, in front of me I've got Redmi Buds 3. In this video I'll show you how to manage gestures. First you take your earbuds to hands and then wear them. And let's proceed. Here we've got the multifunctional buttons. These little holes on the white spot. Double tap on either earbud to answer and end the calls. Tap and hold on either earbud to play pause music. Double tap on the either earbud to go to previous track or next track. And that's basically it for gestures of these headphones. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.